Hello modders! This video will demonstrate how to replace the date wheel of an NH35 movement from a white to a black date wheel. Parts are all available at our store, Watch and Style. Here are the tools that we will need for this project. First tool that we will need is a small wooden stick to be used as our mini finger to avoid scratching the date wheel. Here, we prefer to use a toothpick along with a tweezer to hold the small parts. We will also need a flat jeweler's screwdriver. Best to also have a movement holder to secure the movement while we replace the date wheel. First step is to remove the 4 screws in the movement as shown here. While removing the screws with the screwdriver, use the toothpick to firmly hold the plates that is not supposed to be removed in its place. We prefer to loosen all of the screws first before removing them all at the same time. Remove the plate that holds the date wheel. Then, using a tweezer, carefully replace the date wheel with the black one. Using the tweezer and the toothpick, navigate returning the top plate in its original place. Then, screw back the 4 screws back to its place. Finally, check if the date wheel changes when the crown is adjusted to know if you have installed it correctly. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.